1. What if a period home could be both timeless and boldly personal? See how smart design, rich detail, and a striking glass kitchen transform this space into a vibrant, character-filled sanctuary. Emilie Fournet Interiors is a highly regarded London-based residential interior design studio, known for its ability to transform period properties and reimagine contemporary spaces with a keen eye for detail, a sophisticated understanding of color, and a commitment to maintaining a property's inherent character. This home involved a comprehensive full-house renovation. This undertaking transformed a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom residence into a more expansive 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home. A key architectural intervention in this project was the conversion of the basement and its seamless integration with the upstairs living areas through the addition of a striking glass box kitchen extension. Within this home, Emilie Fournet Interiors meticulously crafted various spaces to achieve a harmonious yet distinctive feel. The family bathroom, for instance, was designed to evoke the ambience of a boutique hotel, cleverly incorporating an industrial twist and subtle Art Deco accents. This aesthetic was achieved through a thoughtful combination of dark tones, metalwork, and a particular choice of tiling, beautifully complemented by the selection of mezzo flush and wall lights. Emilie Fournet aimed to create a traditional monochrome look for this space, punctuated by these industrial and Art Deco elements evident in the tiles and lighting fixtures. Beyond the bathroom, this home showcases Emilie Fournet's expertise in creating interiors with significant personality, color, and a sense of luxury. The overall renovation was focused on breathing new life into this period Hackney home, creating a space where a young professional couple could comfortably grow. This involved not only expanding the footprint, but also intelligently transforming previously dead spaces, such as converting an unused area into an office with views of the garden. The project also addressed an outdated bathroom, turning it into a truly indulgent space. Throughout the de Beauvoir residence, Emilie Fournet Interiors demonstrated its commitment to designing unique spaces that bring joy, express individuality, and also represent a sound investment for the homeowners. The studio prides itself on a client-led approach, avoiding a singular signature style in favor of designs that genuinely reflect the client's lifestyle, personality, and the unique attributes of their home. Emilie Fournet herself is lauded for her innate talent in putting together colors, materials, and patterns, creating spaces that are both beautiful and highly functional.